Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the News on Map series. My name is Pooja Dwivedi. Let us start with the practice question of the last segment. The Muhuri River is a tributary of which of the following rivers? Teesta, Barak, Karnafuli or Feni. So looking at this particular map, this is the Muhuri River and it flows as a tributary into the Feni River, which is a cross-border river between India and Bangladesh. That makes option D to be the correct answer. Moving to the next question. The next question is with respect to the news. Kinshasa is located on the river Congo and has seen a huge population influx in the last couple of years, with 15 million people now living there. So we have the question. We have to consider the following statements. The river Congo flows through 3 countries only. This is an extreme kind of statement. Congo originated in the Katanga Plateau. Kinshasa is located on the river Congo and in the country of Central African Republic. So we have to see how many statements are correct. Congo River flows through countries such as Democratic Republic of Congo, Republic of Congo, Central African Republic, even Angola and also Zambia. And you have to remember that this river doesn't flow through 3 countries only. So that makes the first statement to be incorrect. Congo originated in the Katanga Plateau. This is correct. Katanga Plateau is in Central Africa continent. Okay. Then third statement says Kinshasa is located in the Central African Republic, which is definitely not correct because Kinshasa is in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Alright. So that makes only one statement correct out of the 3. So one statement only is going to be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Now the statement goes like, a team of researchers has discovered a nursery of baby hammerhead sharks off an island in Ecuador's Galapagos archipelago, a finding that could help protect the species from the threat of extinction. So, San Cristobal and Fernandina Islands belong to which of the following countries? These are the islands that are in the Galapagos archipelago. Here is San Cristobal and here is Fernandina. And these islands, that is the Galapagos Islands, belong to Ecuador and it is in the Pacific Ocean. Alright. So that makes option A to be the correct answer. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. European Union countries agreed to grant Bosnia and Herzegovina candidate status, a major early milestone on the long road to joining the bloc. Now let us move to the question, highest point, and we have to match the country to which these points belong to. Maglik, Croatia, Musla, Bulgaria, Deravica, Serbia. So let us see, we have to choose the incorrectly matched ones, as in how many are incorrectly matched. Maglik, first of all let us see, Musla is in the Rila mountains of Bulgaria. So this is definitely correct. Then comes Maglik and Deravica. Let us see them. Maglik is in, of course, Bosnia and Herzegovina. Here it lies at the border of Bosnia and Herzegovina with Montenegro. Okay. So Maglik doesn't belong to Croatia. First pair is not correct. Then Deravica is actually in Serbia only and here it is. Okay, in Serbia. So that makes the first pair to be incorrect. The next 2 are correct. One pair only is going to be the correct answer over here. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. Germany's Chancellor Olaf Scholz backs more Balkan states joining European Union. It is a region that gets its name from the Balkan Mountains in Bulgaria and it is situated, the Balkan Peninsula is situated in southeastern Europe. So how many countries, which of the following countries are entirely a part of the Balkan? Romania, Poland, Switzerland, Montenegro, Slovenia. Here is the Balkan Peninsula, Romania, Bulgaria, Greece, Macedonia, Serbia, Albania, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Croatia and Slovenia are a part of it. Romania, Slovenia are a part of it. So let us see first of all the options. Romania and Slovenia are correct, but not Switzerland, not Poland, and yes, Montenegro. 1, 4 and 5 is going to be the correct answer. That is option C. Certain other countries are partially considered a part of it, but these are entirely in it. US-Canada Great Lakes turning acidic, according to one study. So which of the following Great Lakes of North America do not lie in Canada? Because we know that 4 out of the 5 Great Lakes are shared between the USA and Canada. Let us see this map. Lake Superior, as it is shared between Canada and USA. Lake Michigan lies entirely in USA. This is going to be the correct answer. Here is Lake Huron, Erie and Ontario. So that makes Lake Michigan to be the correct answer. That is option B. Moving on to the next set of questions. Israeli police have shot dead a Palestinian citizen of Israel in the central city of Kafr Qasr. Al-Shabaab fighters have attacked a police vehicle in eastern Kenya. The United States, through the United States Agency for International Development, has launched biodiversity and community resilience in the Omo Valley. So we have to match the regions that are in the news to the country they belong to. Kafr Qasim, Yemen; Omo Valley, Ethiopia; and Garissa, Kenya. Let us see them. Kafr Qasim is near West Bank in Israel, and that makes the first pair incorrect. Then comes Omo Valley. Omo Valley is in Ethiopia, so that makes the second pair to be correct. And then we have Garissa. Garissa is in Kenya, the eastern region. So that makes the second and the third pair to be correct. Option B, 2 and 3 are correct. Moving ahead to the next segment, next set of question. Philippines moves to boost military presence in South China Sea, and that is why South China Sea is much in the news. Arrange the following features of the South China Sea in northward direction. That means we have to go from south to north. Spratly Islands, Pratas Islands, Macclesfield Bank and Reed Table Mount. Let us move and look at it. First is Spratly Islands, which lie over here. Then we have Reed Table Mount. Then we have Macclesfield Bank, and finally we have Pratas Island. So Spratly, then Reed, Macclesfield and Pratas. That makes first 4, 1, 4, 3 and 2 to be the correct answer. Option B is going to be the correct answer over here. Moving on to the next set of questions. Turkey appreciates Sweden's step so far as it seeks approval to join NATO, but it is not even halfway through fulfilling the commitments it made to secure Ankara's support for its membership. Sweden wants to join NATO. But we know, even if one ally of the NATO does not agree to the joining of another country cannot become a part of it. We have a problem. If a person takes air route from Sweden to Turkey, which is the shortest as well as the most straight route, then which of the following countries will definitely lie in the path of such a journey? France, Belarus, Romania, Austria. Let us see the map. Here is Sweden and the person is going to Turkey in a straightforward and the shortest route. Countries such as Poland, Ukraine, Romania are going to lie here, but not Austria. So Poland and Romania are one of our options. Romania is going to be the correct one over here, not Belarus, France and Austria. Alright, moving ahead. Gujarat's Barda Wildlife Sanctuary and Gujarat's Barda Wildlife Sanctuary's new translocation site for Asiatic lions. The famous Tal Chappar Blackbuck Sanctuary in Rajasthan's Churu district has received a protective cover against a proposed move of the state government to reduce the size of its eco-sensitive zone. So the Barda Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat and the Tal Chappar Blackbuck Sanctuary in Rajasthan, both recently seen in the news, are located in which part of Gujarat and Rajasthan respectively. Okay, these are our options. So here is Barda Wildlife Sanctuary, where Asiatic lions will live, and it is in southwestern region of Gujarat. And then we have Tal Chappar Blackbuck Sanctuary, that is in the north, in Rajasthan. So southwest and north is going to be the correct answer. Alright, option B. Moving ahead to the next set of questions. 2 heritage sites from Gujarat, the Sun Temple at Modhera and the city of Vadnagar, which is the hometown of our Prime Minister. Both are in Mehsana district, have been added to the tentative list of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Apart from that, Unakoti in Tripura has also been added. We have covered that in our in-depth series of Friday. Consider the following statements with respect to UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. Sanchi Stupa lies to the west of the rock shelters of Bhimbetka. Agra Fort and Taj Mahal lie to the east of Fatehpur Sikri. These all are a part of the WHS. So let's see. First is, of course, if we see, Sanchi Stupa is in the north of rock shelters of Bhimbetka. Agra Fort and Taj Mahal are to the east of Fatehpur Sikri. So second statement is correct, but not the first. That makes option B 2 only to be the correct answer. Moving ahead, 100 Rohingyas are stranded off Andaman. 20 are feared dead. We have to match the island with their erstwhile name of Andaman and Nicobar. Shaheed Dweep, Neil Island. Swaraj Dweep, Havelock Island, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island, Ross Island. So let's see how many are correctly matched. Here is Swaraj Dweep, which was erstwhile known as Havelock Island. Then we have Shaheed Dweep, which was erstwhile known as Neil Island. Okay? And then we have Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Island, which was erstwhile known as Ross Island. So all are correctly matched. That makes all three pairs to be the correct answer. Alright? Moving ahead to the next set of questions. The High Court of J&K and Ladakh directed the amicus curiae to make additional suggestions regarding development and cleaning of the Wular Lake. So we have to, from north to south, arrange the features of Jammu and Kashmir, Dachigam National Park, Wular Lake, Kishtwar National Park, Manasbal Lake. Let us see it. So first we of course have Wular Lake. I guess it was north to south, right? Yes. First Wular Lake, then here we have Manasbal Lake, then Dachigam National Park, and finally we have Kishtwar National Park. So Wular first, then Manasbal, 2-4, then Dachigam, and then Kishtwar. 2-4-1-3 is going to be the correct answer. Option B is correct over here. Now let's move on to the next question, which is the practice question for your next segment. Xinjiang, a region often seen in the news, shares its borders with how many of the following countries? Kazakhstan, India, Afghanistan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and stay updated.